Welcome to our lesson on fractions and line plots. What is a line plot? A line plot is a graph that shows the frequency of data with the use of a number line. To make a line plot, you create a number line using your data as a guide, and you place an X above the number line to correspond with the data. So let's look at our data set listed here. We have 1/2, 1/4, and 1/2. So if I was going to make a line plot out of this data, 1/2 and 1/4, I would have 2 x's over 1/2 to show my 2 1/2s in my data set, and 1 x over the 1/4. Okay, let's practice. Use the line plot to graph the data set below. We have 1 whole, 1/2, 1/4, 1 whole, 1 whole, and 1/2. So let's make our number line first. We know we'll be going from 0 to 1. We also will have 1/2 and 1/4. Okay, so let's plot our data. We have 1 whole first, 1/2, 1/4, 1 whole, 1 whole, and 1/2. Okay, so now we've created a line plot. And you can easily look and see that 1 whole was listed more than any other data. All right, use the line plot to graph the data set below. Okay, we have 1/8, 1 whole, 1/8, 1/2, 1/4, and 1/2. So once again, we're going to make a number line that goes from 0 to 1. Okay, let's fill in our other numbers we'll need. We'll need 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. Okay, so let's plot our data. We have 1/8, 1 whole, 1/8, 1/2, 1/4, and 1/2. Okay, so we can look very easily and see that we have 1/2 listed twice, and we also have 1/8 listed twice. When making a line plot, please make sure that you attempt to make your x's the same size so that your data, so that your graph isn't misleading when you're looking at it. Okay? This concludes our lesson on fractions and line plots.